If your country is not eligible for TikTok monetization, I want to say congratulations to you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a UK TikTok account you can easily monetize without the use of VPN. And the process I'm going to describe in this video, if you have any issue along the way, make sure you drop it in the comment section of this video and I will be right there to help you out. So do well to subscribe to this channel. So let me guide you step by step. What you need to do is to come to your TikTok account, and mind you, we are using the main TikTok account, not TikTok Lite. So when you come to your TikTok account, they'll come to your profile. Then here under the login section, you're going to see this place. It said this highlighted space, and is it located in where? Nigeria. So you're going to type where they put Nigeria, then you're going to select UK, United Kingdom. Can you see now the thing has been changed to United Kingdom? So the next thing you're going to do is to come to sign up here. You click on sign up, then make sure you sign up with Gmail, you get, or with email. So just tap on email, then you enter the email you want to use here. So after entering your email, you're going to receive a code. Then you enter your code here. So once you enter your code, you enter your date of birth, you enter your password, also you enter your nickname. So once you are done creating, just come to your profile. So when you come to your profile, you can come here, then you can go to studio, TikTok studio. So we verify, maybe you've actually, now this is it. You can see now creators reward. So an ordinary TikTok account that is not UK account will not have this creators reward. So let's go to monetization proper to see maybe what you have done is successful. You can see now. So when this account is eligible, you can start making money on TikTok. It's as simple as ABC. And if you want to actually verify totally, you can come to settings. So when you come to settings, just come to account, then account information. You can see the account region is UK. So with this account, your account can be monetized. So when you immediately meet up the requirement, which is 10,000 followers on TikTok, your account can monetize. So if you have any problem creating your account, drop it in the comment section of this video and let me be right there to help you. And if you find value in this video, also like, drop a comment, and also share with others so that more people can benefit from this free information. And for those of you that want to create a UK account that you can use for your TikTok account, please do well to follow this video, also like it, so that when next we drop the update on how you can actually create your UK phone number for your monetization, so that you will get the update. See you next time for more updates.